Welcome to our today's spoken English class. Dukhu spoken English tutorial level 3 day 5 everyday speaking 5. আমি আপনার কি ক্ষতি করেছি? What harm have I done to you? Comment pass. Please stop it. কেন শুধু শুধু ঝগড়া করছেন? Why are you quarreling with me unnecessarily? Comment pass. Please stop it. আপনি কি পাগল হয়েছেন? Are you crazy? অথবা Are you in your senses? Comment pass. Please stop it. This is enough. কেন মাথা খারাপ করছেন? Why are you losing temper? Comment pass. Please stop it. That's enough. আপনি অত্যন্ত রগচটা. You are very short-tempered. Comment pass. Please don't be excess. উত্তেজিত হবে না. Don't get excited. Comment pass. I'm okay. Please keep silence. কথা বাড়াবেন না. Don't stage the matter. Comment pass. Please stop it. That's enough. সাবধান, একথা আর মুখ থেকে উচ্চারণ করবেন না. Beware, don't utter it again. Comment pass. Please stop it. This is enough. আমার সামনে থেকে দূর হও. Get out of my sight. Comment pass. Please come down. আমাদের ব্যাপারে আপনার মাথা ব্যথা কিসের? How are you concerned with our affairs? Comment pass. Please don't say like that. ছি ছি, তোমার লজ্জা হওয়া উচিত। You should be ashamed of yourself. Comment pass. Please stop it. This is enough. তুমি এর জন্য দায়ী। You are responsible for this. Comment pass. No, it's wrong. ভেবো না তুমি রেহাই পাবে। You can't get away with this. Comment pass. Please stop it. This is enough. এসব তোমার জন্যই হয়েছে। It's all cause of you. Comment pass. Are you crazy? এসব তোমারই কাজ। It's all you're doing. Comment pass. How do you say it's wrong? তোমাকে কখনোই ক্ষমা করা হবে না। You don't deserve. Comment pass. Please stop it. This is enough. তুমি অত্যন্ত নিচু লোক। You are a cunning fellow. Comment pass. Shut up. That's enough. আমি তোমার ওই মুখ আর দেখতে চাই না। I don't want to see your face again. Comment pass হবে. Control yourself. It's enough. Thank you so much for joining today's class. See you next. Have a good time. Good luck.